What if I told you that in Japan, earthquakes don't surprise people anymore? In fact, buildings are designed so well that even a powerful earthquake feels like a controlled movement instead of a disaster. But how does Japan do it? Japan sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire. This means multiple tectonic plates are constantly pushing against each other beneath the ground. So earthquakes are not rare events in Japan, they are expected events. In many countries, buildings are designed mainly for gravity, how much weight they can hold. But in Japan, engineers design for something more dangerous, sideways shaking. In Japan, buildings are designed to bend, not break. And that changes everything in engineering. Steel is widely used because it is ductile. That means it can bend during shaking instead of snapping suddenly. So the mindset is simple: don't fight earthquakes. Control their energy. Think of it like bamboo. It bends in the wind instead of breaking. One of Japan's most powerful inventions is base isolation. So when the ground shakes, the base moves, but the building moves much less. The building is separated from the ground using rubber bearings or sliding pads. It's like placing a building on giant shock absorbers. These act like shock absorbers inside cars. So instead of collapsing energy, the building absorbs it. Japan also focuses heavily on foundations. Because a strong building means nothing without a strong foundation. Buildings are anchored deep into stable soil or rock. They use piles that go deep underground to prevent tilting or sinking. Tall buildings in Japan also use devices called dampers. Japan has one of the fastest earthquake early warning systems in the world. Seismic sensors detect waves seconds before strong shaking arrives. This gives people time to react. Even a few seconds can save thousands of lives. Japan doesn't just design buildings, they design entire cities. Wide evacuation routes, earthquake-resistant bridges, flexible pipelines, strict building codes. Everything is planned for controlled failure, not collapse. In many major earthquakes, buildings in Japan have swayed heavily, but remained standing. That movement is not failure, it is engineered survival. So how does Japan build earthquake-proof cities? Not by stopping earthquakes, but by controlling energy, using flexible structures, smart foundations, and advanced warning systems. Engineering doesn't remove natural disasters. It reduces their impact on human life. Please subscribe to get notified next time I upload the video.